Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we share science-based information on health and wellness. Today, we're going to be talking about common brain myths and whether or not they hold any truth. Myth number 1, we only use 10% of our brain. This is a common myth, but it's simply not true. We use all parts of our brain, although not all parts are active at the same time. Different areas of the brain are responsible for different functions, and we use them all throughout the day. In fact, even during sleep, our brains are active and busy carrying out important tasks such as memory consolidation and repair. Myth number 2, brain cells cannot regenerate. This is another common myth, but it's actually not true. While it's true that brain cells do not regenerate as quickly as other cells in the body, they can still regenerate under the right conditions. In fact, neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to change and adapt, is a well-established concept in neuroscience. This means that with the right stimulation, our brains can create new connections and pathways, leading to improved cognitive function and even physical changes in the brain. Myth number 3, listening to classical music can make you smarter. While listening to music can have a positive effect on mood and cognitive performance, there is no evidence to suggest that listening to classical music specifically will make you smarter. However, music can be a helpful tool for improving concentration and reducing stress. Interestingly, recent studies have suggested that learning to play a musical instrument can have a positive effect on brain development, leading to improved cognitive function and even changes in brain structure. Myth number 4, we have a left or right brain dominance. This is a popular myth, but it's not entirely accurate. While certain functions are indeed more lateralized to one side of the brain than the other, both hemispheres are involved in most cognitive functions. In other words, we use both sides of our brain for most tasks. However, it is true that some people may have a slight preference for one side of the brain over the other, but this doesn't mean that they're using only one side of their brain. Myth number 5, we can multitask effectively. While it may seem like we're able to multitask effectively, research suggests that we're actually not very good at it. When we try to do multiple things at once, our attention becomes divided, leading to decreased performance on each task. In other words, it's usually better to focus on one task at a time. However, some people may be better at multitasking than others due to differences in cognitive abilities and personal preferences. So there you have it, some common brain myths debunked. Remember, it's important to stay informed and question what you hear about the brain. Our brains are incredibly complex and fascinating, and there's still so much we don't know. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more science-based health information.